Before we start these tutorials, let me give you an overview of how these video tutorials are laid out. There's the project overview section, that'd be the one you're currently watching, in which I'll give you a quick run through of some of the camera controls and where you can find some more tutorials and things like that. Then I'll run you through the workflow that we'll go through to create these egg drop canisters. After this project overview, there will be 3 sections, each section about creating a specific part or process of our egg drop canister. At the beginning of each section, I'll have a quick overview. This overview will include things like the tools and the processes that we'll be using to create each part. After every section, I highly recommend that you save your work. Alright, let me go through some of the basic camera controls in 123D Design. On the right side, we have 3 buttons: Pan, Orbit, and Zoom. These are the basic camera controls. We can also rotate the camera with the view cube just by clicking and dragging it. Throughout these videos, I'll probably be using the mouse a lot to maneuver my camera. If I hold middle mouse button, I can pan my camera up, down, left, and right. If I hold right click, I can rotate my camera. And if I scroll my mouse wheel up and down, I can zoom in and out. The 2 programs we'll be using are 123D Design and 123D Make. We will use 123D Design to create 2 different egg drop canisters using sketch tools to draw geometry, and then tools such as Revolve and Extrude to create 3-dimensional shapes. Then in 123D Make, we'll turn this model into cardboard shapes that we can cut out or laser cut and then assemble into a working egg drop canister. Help and tutorials for both of these products, 123D Design and 123D Make, can be found on the 123D app website. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to create your own egg drop canister using 123D Make to produce physical parts. The objective of these egg-bearing canisters is to survive a fall in the classic egg drop challenge. If you have never heard of this type of competition before, I suggest you do a quick internet search. As such, I'll run through 2 different styles of egg drop canisters so you can see how to make your own using 123D Design and 123D Make. The first egg drop canister I'll make is a very simple but elegant design. The design consists of a small egg-bearing sphere suspended inside of a large hollow sphere. It'll be suspended using rubber bands and string. The point of the first example is to give you a quick understanding of how to use 123D Design and 123D Make. The second example uses engineering concepts such as crumple zones and aerodynamic drag, and is meant to demonstrate some of the more advanced options and tools in 123D Design and 123D Make. I hope both of the designs inspire you to make your own interesting and successful egg drop canister.